Alright, so now that we've gone through posts and pages, the only thing left is video. So click on video, add a new video here. Alright, so let's tell a story of an organic coffee shop. So let's do 100% or... Ooh. What is wrong with my keyboard? Organic coffee. Okay, so next. So now you see a bunch of templates. These basically help you tell your story. It guides you through introduction, building up to the climax of the story, and then the resolution of the story. Or it depends on which one you choose, but let's say promote an idea. You click it. Then you get this loading page. Let's close out of this. And then they have setting, problem, what could be, solution or idea, reward, how you can help. Alright, so you can go back and select another one. So here we are, 100% organic coffee. Let's do a hero's journey. Alright, so this one is much shorter. Setup, call to adventure, challenge, climax, resolution. So it's basically a template to guide you to help you tell the story, but you definitely don't need it and it's not fixed in stone. You can drag these around, like hold and drag it over here or over here, and you can add slides and you can delete slides or duplicate them. Yes, delete. Alright, so that's basically what those presets are. And then let's start from the first page. You can have icon, photo, and text. And then like the post, there's a bunch of themes you can pick. You can only pick one theme and it will be applied to all the slides. So each theme has a different color scheme and a different style of animation. So you can change these themes at any time. Just make sure to replay each slide and make sure it looks like what you expect it to look like, because sometimes things get cut off, things get painted over. And one of the nice things here is the next one, which is music. You can pick a bunch of music. You can only pick one song or add your own music, but that one song is the only song that will play through the entire video. You can't pick multiple songs or do complicated audio cuts using like 10 songs in 10 seconds. But this is made for it to be simple, and they have a lot of categories like happy, helpful, relaxed, rousing, thematic, thoughtful. And just listen through it depending on your story. You will want to pick different music. And then there's layout, so you can have one thing, two things, a thing in caption, which is a picture and text basically, and then full photo, or thing in photo is two pictures. Alright, so in the next lesson we're gonna start building this.